by a first winner take all, also an extra double, trifecta, daily double plus 1, your daily doubles, your forecast, win, flash bets, Breaking Bad. Now finally, Bex. Two to go. Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano. Halfway through. She's inside. Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We only waiting for Pusang Gala. Pusang Gala. Pusang Gala. Now finally back set, ready for racing, race number 1. Racing just is started with Breaking Bad, break with little start, down the inside the stone ladder in between horses, Just Asia, Pusang Gala comes next, then followed by Taal Volcano, who's the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Breaking Bad by our length and a half. Just Asia is right behind in second, Pusang Gala alongside third, then comes Stone Ladder, while Taal Volcano is still racing in last. We are Breaking Bad moving up in between horses is Just Asia. Moving up now on the outside now is Pusang Gala. Stone Ladder comes next, then followed over by Taal Volcano, who's still racing in last. Side of our turn, we are Breaking Bad enjoying a half-length lead. Just Asia is on the outside second, then next on lane is Pusang Gala. Stone Ladder, while Taal Volcano is still racing in last as they swing for home. Breaking Bad by a length and a half, moving up on the outside is a Just Asia. Last 100 meters, Breaking Bad. Just Asia giving the power burst of energy, but it's still Breaking Bad. And finally, Breaking Bad, Just Asia, Pusang Gala, Taal Volcano.
Número 3, Breaking